Today, I'm going to teach you how to view, assign, and edit forms from Jotform Tables. This is particularly useful when you're managing data collection and need to distribute forms to specific people or make quick edits to your existing forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your forms and tables in one centralized workspace. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This section is where all your data tables are stored and organized, making it easy to manage your collected information in one place. Now, you'll see a list of your available tables. Browse through them and locate the specific table you want to work with. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it up. This gives you a detailed view of all the data and information collected through your forms, organized in a structured table format. Once you're inside the table area, direct your attention to the upper right of the page where you'll find a button labeled Form. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Assign Form. This is the feature that allows you to distribute your form to specific individuals or generate shareable links. Selecting Assign Form will open the Assign Form page in Form Builder, specifically on the Publish tab. Here you have the flexibility to add assignees either by entering their email addresses directly or by generating a unique link that you can share through other channels. This is particularly helpful when you need to send forms to team members, clients, or any specific group of people. You might need to wait a moment for the form builder to fully load before proceeding. After you've set up your assignments, go back to the Jotform dashboard by clicking the Jotform logo or using the back navigation. Once you're back on the main dashboard, click on My Workspace again, and this time choose My Forms from the drop-down menu. This section displays all the forms you've created. Look through your forms list and locate the specific form you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit Form. This opens the form in the Form Builder interface where you can make any necessary changes to questions, design, settings, or any other element of your form. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate Jotform tables, assign forms to specific users, and edit your forms whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.